Hello everyone. In this video we are going to discuss the story of Uncle Poser hangs a picture. This is the reading of C Unit 1. Okay, and it is an extract from Three Men in a Boat by Jerome K. Jerome. The author name is Jerome K. Jerome. Okay, it is a humorous story and this scene has been created in a room of a home, and so we start the theory. Okay, here an uncle Poser, he was accused in hanging a picture, and moreover his arrangement were not very properly, and one by one he was doing the mistakes were not, and blame to another other person, that means their children, as they were fools. Okay, now look the theory. Uncle Poser was decided to do a job himself. His house was a scene of a great excitement and confusion. A picture had come from the frame maker shop and it had to be hung on the wall. It was standing in the dining room, okay, and waiting to be fixed up. Aunt Poser asked her husband what he intended to do with the picture. Okay, and Uncle Poser immediately replied that he would himself do what was needed. Okay, and then he took off his coat and started his work. Sent a girl to buy 6 pence worth of nails. एक nails खरीदने के लिए भेजते हैं from the market. He forgot to tell her the size of the nails. Therefore, one of the boys followed her to tell her what size to get. Okay, and he told Will to get him his hammer. Tom was asked to bring him the rule, okay, for magnify the point where he want to hang the picture, okay, and Tom was asked to bring him to the rule. Then he needed the step ladder and the kitchen chair too. Jim was another boy, their name was Jim. Jim was to run to Mr. Google, requesting him to lend him his spirit level. Spirit level is operators to magnify the size and points. Okay, you also know about that. Tom was needed to help the uncle hang up the picture. Okay, then Uncle Poser lifted up the picture and dropped it. It came out of its frame. He tried to save the glass, and he doing so, he cut his finger. Having received the cut, Uncle Poser ran round the room in search of his handkerchief, and then he could not find it because it was in the pocket of his coat. He had taken off. All people in the house ran looking for his coat. The work came to a standstill. Then Uncle Poser got irritated. He rebuked all that they were six in number, and Get could not find his coat. Suddenly he got up and found that he had himself been sitting on his coat. अपने ही कोट के ऊपर वो बैठे हुए थे. He then scolded them that at last of his hand he had found his coat. They need not to do anything. Next, then after Uncle Podder took half an hour to dress his finger, a few glass was brought, the ladder and the chair and the candle were ready. And then two persons held the chair, the third helped him upon it, the fourth handed him a nail, the fifth passed him up the hammer. He took hold all the nail and dropped it. सभी जो है उनकी हेल्प करने के लिए चारों तरफ खड़े हुए थे. ओके. He took hold of the nail and dropped it. क्या हुआ कि nail जो है वो गिर गई. All came down to search for the nail. In the meantime, he stood on the chair, grooming if he was to remain standing thus all the evening. Okay. Then after at last the nail was found. फिर nail जो है वो मिल जाती है. But hammer was lost. But hammer was lost. But hammer was lost. तो hammer क्या हो जाती है? गुम हो जाती है. He could not think what he had been doing with hammer. He could only scold all around him for not telling him where the hammer was. The hammer was found. अब hammer जो है वो मिल जाती है. The mark on the wall was lost. अब जो उन्होंने मार्क करके रखा हुआ था कि जहाँ पर उनको पिक टांगनी है, अब वो गुम हो जाती है. Okay. All helpers went on the chair and cited different marks on the wall. Uncle Podger called them fools. He took the rule and remeasured it. He at last used a string. He was just leaning over the chair at an angle of the 45. Angle of the 45. Suddenly, the string slipped. Uncle Podder fell on the piano. Uncle Podder जो है वो slip होकर के piano के ऊपर गिर जाते हैं. This fall created a really fine musical effect. और उससे एक बहुत ही सुंदर musical effect जो है वो create हो जाता है. Uncle Podder abused all the members of the family. और सबको वो चिल्लाने लगते हैं. And then after you look here, the picture, Uncle Podder is hanging on the pick and standing in a still, and all the other family members are helping there. Okay. And he took the rule and remeasured. Uncle Podder abused all the member of the family. And then after, Aunt Maria here felt impatient. She did not like to allow her children to stand around and hear such as abusing language. Uncle Podder जब abusing language में बच्चों से बात करते हैं तो जो Aunt Maria है उनको बिल्कुल भी जो है ये बात पसंद नहीं आती कि वहाँ जो बच्चे खड़े हुए हैं वो ये सब चीज़ों को सुने, जो abusing language है उसको सुने. At last, Uncle Podder fixed the spot and put the point of the nail on it with his left hand. With the hammer in his right hand, he gave the first blow. Okay, it smashed his thumb, the hammer, and dropped the somebody else loose. और किसी जब वो स्ट्रोक मारते हैं तो हैमर जो है वो गिर जाती है किसी के पैर के ऊपर. A stark cry was heard. Aunt Maria said the next time Uncle Podger planned to hammer a nail into the wall, she would go away to her mother to spend a week. अब आंट मारिया कहती हैं अब कभी अगली बार जब वो ऐसा कुछ काम करेंगे या नेल जो है वो स्ट्रोक मारेंगे नेल को, तो जो आंट मारिया है वो अपने मायके चले जाएंगी एक हफ्ते के लिए. Then after Uncle Podder made another attempt, the second blow, the nail went clean through the plaster but Uncle Podder was thrown against the wall, splattering his nose. अब जो अंकल पॉडर के नाक पे चोट लग जाती है जब वो हैमर से नेल को स्ट्रोक करते हैं. द रूल एंड द स्ट्रिंग वर फाउंड अगेन, अ न्यू होल मार्क मेड. अब नया एक होल जो है वहाँ मार्क किया जाता है. एट मिडनाइट द पिक्चर वॉज अपॉन द वॉल. इट लुक्ड crooked and insecure. The wall lost much plaster. All people felt excited except Uncle Podder. He had proudly watching the confusion around him that people unsuccessfully called a man to do such a little thing. That means the theme was the story of the Uncle Podder hangs a picture is that in a companion he is a companion man attached great impatience even to small job, and he has to do a small job. He regards it as a big military operation. एक छोटे से पिक्चर को टंगाने के लिए वो ऐसा बिहेव करते हैं जैसे कोई मिलिट्री ऑपरेशन पे गए हों. एंड बेसिकली सच अ पर्सन इज स्टूपिड बट द थिंक्स टू मच ऑफ हिमसेल्फ. ही बिकम्स अ सोर्स ऑफ नॉनसेंस ऑफ अदर्स ऑल्सो. ओके, सो स्टूडेंट्स, आई होप यू ऑल अंडरस्टूड दिस humorous story, and I will send you the back exercise of this chapter. You will note down it in your copy and learn it properly and do practice. Okay, thank you.